Scale computing has really helped us with the high availability side. In manufacturing, downtime costs money every single minute. Anytime you get a call that says, internet's down, we can't run our ERP, we can't collect our data, it's absolutely a crisis, and that's not a thing really with scale computing for me. I have peace of mind going home at night that I'm not going to get that 3 a.m. call. My name is Lindsay McNeil, and I am the IT manager at Kelly Box and Packaging. Kelly Box and Packaging is a family-owned corrugated converting company. There's 5 plants serving Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Illinois, and Kentucky. We custom design and manufacture everything from jumbo boxes, think pumpkin boxes, to corrugated pallets, to very small retail-ready packaging, and we're celebrating our 70th anniversary this year. The solution we had in place prior to scale computing were VM HP servers. We don't have a formally trained IT team per se. We were struggling with pretty much anything related to the servers. A lot of times we would be putting in tickets to help desk. The time that it would take us to try to figure it out ourselves was detrimental to the company. Scale computing was recommended to us by our managed service provider, Allstar Technologies. It was described to us what scale computing could bring to the table with regard to what we were doing with Industry 4.0 and digital transformation. Industry 4.0 looks like moving away from all of our manual processes and dark data, the data that we're not collecting, to full digitization, a smart factory. So our digital transformation journey has really started with deploying edge devices and IoT platforms. I was told and then further read and listened to testimonials about how scale was very much about processing more data closer to the edge. That's 100% what we're doing. So that was for sure our aha moment. Implementation was a breeze for us. We had a minor issue with an unresponsive VM on the scale cluster, and I had the opportunity to call support. They immediately jumped in. They really treated me and my issue as though it was absolutely the most important thing to them. I was incredibly impressed with the speed to action. The impact that scale computing has had is that it has provided the foundation for us to implement these new initiatives. It's mainly just our ability to handle things ourselves. The impact of having an easier interface is useful to us growing because we don't want to stay stagnant. We want to continue to learn, but if the learning curve is too high, like with VMware, then that's going to be a problem for me. So the quicker I can learn and then continue to knock projects out myself, the better, especially with how fast we need to move with Industry 4.0. I would give the advice that tech is moving incredibly fast. Don't overlook what your customers may expect of your business 3 to 5 years down the road that digitization can provide, and for which you need a strong foundation like scale computing. Scale was absolutely the most flexible, future-proof, and forward-thinking option for us, and it has proven to be exactly that.